This is our new DB-12 for the Blackmagic URSA Cine LF 65 and immersive. It comes in 3 versions. This one is the B mount version. It's also available in a dual voltage gold mount and V mount version. It attaches to the back of the camera and provides power through an internal Molex connector. You can hot swap between your onboard battery, and we have a replica of the camera DC input, which is an 8-pin LEMO compatible connector on the side here. Power outputs include a 5-volt USB at 3 amps, 2 D-taps on top at a regulated 15 volts, and 2 2-pin LEMOs on the side at that same regulated 15 volts. Between those 4 connectors, you can pull a total of 6 amps. On the side, we also have 2 3-pin Fischers, which are unregulated, so you get the battery voltage on those. And when you have the USB cable plugged into the top rear port of the camera here, you also have ARRI start-stop capability on those 3-pin Fischers. We also include a dust cover here to keep debris out, since this connector is aligned vertically on the camera body. You can drop this on and it fits nicely over the cable and in between the recess on our top plate. The DB-12 has a smart fuse system which monitors the current going to the camera. And in this configuration, the camera is using about 3 amps at 28 volts. So with a battery that's capable of 10 amps, like this core battery, we have our battery capability switch here set to 10 amps to match that. So this box will monitor the camera current, which is 3 amps. We subtract that from the 10 amps and we allot the 7 to accessories. So what this device will simulate is if we go over the 7 amp limit. So we'll plug this into our D-tap, push the button here, and that simulates our accessories drawing more than their allotment. So what happens is power is immediately cut off to accessories, but the camera is still running. And that is so you don't corrupt the clip while you're shooting. So what you can do then is reconfigure your accessories. We'll fix the problem. Then we can push the reset button here. Red light goes away, and then power is re-enabled to the accessories. This camera is a high voltage system, so standard V-mount and gold mount batteries will not work with it. If you have Anton Bauer 26-volt batteries and you want something for your URSA Cine, please send us an email and we can custom make an assembly for you. These products are available now at mid49.com.